Hi there, my name is Michael Audu and I'm the founder of Amber Investment Club, also the founder of High Performance Network. And in this short video, I just want to describe to you what I have in store for you in this course. This short course will help you learn about 10 apps, 10 finance apps that I use and some others that I know of that will help you grow your money in 2022. And I'm sharing it in December so that you can use it to plan for your 2022. Now, these apps I'm talking about are not all these Ponzi apps where you tell you where they will tell you grow your money by 50% per month, 20% per month. No, but the apps I'm talking about will give you a decent growth of your money, both in Naira and in dollars. They are quite popular to some people, but most of my friends that I've discussed with on these 10 apps I want to share with you, they are not aware of them. Let's take, for example, have you heard about ComX by Afex? ComX by Afex? I don't know. If you've heard of it, good for you. But then if you've not, those are one of the kind of apps I'm talking about. There are just so many apps out there, CBN approved, SEC licensed, totally there for you, but you just may not have heard of them. I want to show you these apps and how to use them. With these apps, you'll be able to grow your finances by some 10 to 20% per annum safely without extra effort. I mean, no extra effort. And even if you want to go further than that, growing it to 40, 50% per annum, you can still do that if you choose to give it more time into these apps. So 10 apps, I will be showing you all of these. Take your hand through it, put money in it, show you how to invest in them, show you how to save in them, show you how to use them, and then you'll be able to start doing them within 5 to 7 minutes. As short as this clip is, that's how I'll take my time to go through each of the apps, show you how to run it, show you how to do it, and in no time you'll be able to start making some money. You learn how to start keeping more money, you learn how to start growing your money every other day. All right, so this whole course goes for just 1,000 naira, and with that you have access to all of these, a PDF guide, a video training on each of the apps, from just 5 to 7 minutes. I don't want to bore you with plenty English. I will be teaching you in basic Nigerian English. In fact, I'm not going to even use my phone anymore. I'll be using, this is how they used to put the money into this app. It's going to be that easy, that straightforward, that no-brainer. You don't have to be a techie, you don't have to understand so much about finances. The idea is that with this you can jumpstart your financial journey in 2022. Instead of trying to read 50 books and you don't even understand how to even start capturing all of those things into your financial journey, with this simple 1K course, you'd be able to get started on your financial journey in 2022. And I'm showing you in December so that you can easily just start today and continue in 2022, right? These are the things you should expect. Just go down the page and sign up for the course. It's just 1,000 naira. You have the payment options down. I want you to share the word out there, please. Share it, share it, share it. In fact, you can gift someone this course as a New Year gift, as a Christmas gift, right? So that they too can begin to manage their finance better. Think about it. If you have 100,000 and you have any of these apps, safely grow it to 120K in 1 year in case you're not using the money. If you have 1 million, that's 1.2 million at 20%. If you have 10 million, that's 12 million safely in 1 year. It's something you should learn, and you can just start even tomorrow morning. All right, I hope to see you in this course, and do sign up, spread the word. Thank you very much.